Welcome to Carbon Flush. Today we have a Golf 6 GTi with 191,000 kilometers on the clock. We're going to be conducting a carbon flush on this vehicle today. Due to the fact being direct injection motors has a lot of carbon buildup, and in this case the car is being tuned as well, so it's running a stage 2 remap, has a hybrid turbocharger, downpipe and induction kit. So the dyno is just to conduct a before baseline and then after run, so we can see what influence the carbon buildup has on this specific vehicle. We just finished the base run on this Golf 6 GTi. We'll be connecting it to the carbon cleaning machine. To start that process of the cleaning, it's going to take about 40 minutes. Once we're done, we can get it back to the dyno and do the final run. Now we connected the carbon flush HHO gas pipe to the car's vacuum system. During the carbon flush process, the vehicle will smoke from the exhaust. Once the carbon flush is completed, we need to aggressively rev the engine to blow out the released carbon deposits from the engine components. The revving also removes all remaining HHO gas from the engine combustion system. This is done for a minute or two until the exhaust stops smoking. Okay, we just finished a carbon flush on this Golf 6 GTi. So we're back on the dyno, we're going to do the final run. So we have a comparison to compare to the base run we did just before the cleaning. Welcome back to Carbon Flush. We just finished the dyno on the Golf 6 GTi after we done the carbon clean. Sitting with the dyno results in hand, it's quite substantial, the gains we've got. Looking at peak dyno figures, beforehand the car made 212 wheel kilowatt and a peak torque figure is 452 Newton meters at the wheels. After the flush, we're in the mid-range about 10 to 15 kilowatt and about 30 newtons, so that's putting the car in the region of about 230 wheel kilowatt and 489 Newton meters of torque. That just shows the importance of keeping your modified vehicle running at peak conditions. You need to, in an interval of at least 6 months or a certain kilometer, do a carbon flush to keep the car running at its optimal performance and not lose power due to excessive carbon buildup.